We are a LED street light manufacturer locates in Jiang Su Yang Zhou, China. We have a rich variety of products, mainly in LED street light, but also include floodlight, park LED light, customized light pole and solar panel. We had worked with many customers around the globe and meet their requirements. At the same time, we have obtained various certifications. We are open to construction project and government project. If you are interested, feel free to contact us for further information. And there is a link in description area that you can click to have a virtual tour about our factory. Thanks for watching and have a good day. Bye.